Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to filter or search records in Lightning Datatable in using Salesforce Lightning Web Component. Lightning Datatable is available in both Aura component and in Lightning Web Component. In this demo, we are going to see how to filter or search in Lightning Datatable using Lightning Web Component. So this is the demo. So when I search, it will search based on the name and then it will display. So this this is a sample Lightning Web Component which I developed for filter or search. So let's see the code behind this. First is I created an Apex class and then I'm fetching 10 records from my account object. I'm getting ID, name, industry, and is active underscore underscore C, which is a custom field. It is a checkbox which I created in my org. So using that, I'm using this SOQL, I'm returning 10 account records for this demo. In order to create a tab, I'm using lightning underscore underscore tab in my sample Lightning Web Component metadata.xml file. And this is my HTML component in my Lightning Web Component. I'm using lightning card, a small div, and I have a lightning input field. Type I'm setting it as search so that it will show this small search icon. And then I'm having lightning data table. One important thing is in the lightning input type is equal to search. I have on change is equal to handle search. So this method will be called whenever I type or change something in my lightning input text box. And I have lightning data table. I'm using key field as ID and data is equal to available accounts, which is a variable. I will show it in my JavaScript. And then I have columns variable. I'm hiding the checkbox and I'm showing the row number. Whenever I do any row action, I will be calling this handle row action JavaScript method. Okay, let's jump on into the JavaScript. So this is my JavaScript. I'm calling fetch accounts method from this Apex class account controller. Fetch accounts from account controller, and then I'm using navigation mixin. For actions, I have view and edit. So here I will be having view and edit. Columns I'm displaying name, industry, and is active, and I have a type action, and in the type actions I have type attributes. For the row actions, I'm using view and edit. Okay, so first I'm using auto-wire so that I can fetch the account records. So it will fetch 10 account records from my org and then it will display. And in the handle row action, when I select view, I will be able to view the account record. If I click edit, I will be able to edit the account record. Yeah, since I clicked view, it is opening. If I want to edit, I can select edit. Okay. And in the handle search, whenever I type something, I am updating the search string. Yeah, but I have to check handle search. So on change, I have to I'm using handle search. So as an when I do any change, yeah, you can ignore this method. Let's focus on handle search. So whenever I am typing something, I am setting that to search key. If the search key is is undefined, and if it has some value, I'm setting this available accounts is equal to initial records. So let's see how this initial records is populated. So when I call this fetch accounts using wired method, I have two variables. One is available accounts and the initial records. So those 10 account records will be there in the initial records, and this available accounts will be the records that will be um, filtered or searched from this initial records, and then I will be having those matched records in this available accounts variable. So I'm setting the available record to all initial records, and then I'm using if this dot available accounts. So there are some records, I'm making sure there are some records, and I'm iterating each and every record, and then I'm constructing a array using object.values. If you want to display how it will display, you can use this json.stringify to display. And so why I'm using this is I wanted to find whether any one of this matches technology, agriculture. So for example, if I search agriculture, I should be able to do it. So I wanted to search each and every column here. So that is the main reason I'm using this object.values, and then from this each column value, I'm checking whether that particular search key matches. If it matches, I'm using records.push. If so, why I'm using break statement here is if I type TE, or let's say, yeah, so here if I type TE, this also matches and this also matches. So once this matches, I don't want to again iterate this particular column value. So that is the main purpose. I'm using break statement here, and then I'm adding it to this records. Like that, I am iterating each and every record. I'm checking each and every column value, and then I'm finding out whether it matches. If it matches, then I'm adding it to records. Then I'm setting the available accounts to records, and then I'm displaying it. Yeah, it matches the name, and then it is displaying. Let's say I cleared this. Now it is undefined. So it will go to this else condition, and then it will set the available accounts to the initial records. So initial records is nothing but through the wire method, then records that are fetched from the Apex class. In some development, I have seen people calling Apex class and running the SOQL frequently for this filter. It is not needed because unnecessary calls to servers should be avoided. So I'm using JavaScript code to filter and search. I will be sharing my blog link in the video description. Using that, you can get the sample code, and then you can try it out in your org. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.